There are two scenarios. There's a poor man with a rich man mentality, and there's a rich man with a poor man mentality. In fact, the worst is a poor man and a poor man mentality. That is going to limit your life forever. Don't marry a man or woman that will not care for you emotionally. Don't marry a man that will not see you grow. Ladies, don't marry a man that will see you as a man, another man. So aside you looking for a partner that is rich, or a partner that is godly, or a partner that you guys share the same values, what else do you look at? Because I feel like a friend of mine shared with me that he feels, though I didn't check the statistics, said that the rate of divorce now has reduced because one, people don't even have money. So, or especially the women, they feel if they leave that marriage, what next for them since they are not financially stable. And that thing is, the men too are also looking at the inflation rates right now. By the time they divorce this particular partner, moving on to the next, they know the amount's going to take them to get married to another person. But I just thought of it, I said that what actually is some of the causes for divorce? Some of some can be lack of understanding, some can also be change behavioral pattern or change in the spouse and things in the like. But I thought of one thing. I said, told myself that some people, aside we marrying the physical appearance of the man or things they tell us, or especially the woman, I also think that when thinking of getting married, we also don't think about the mentality of that particular person. There are two scenarios. There's a poor man with a rich man mentality, and there's a rich man with a poor man mentality. Best is I don't even know, but the best is if you can get, but anyway, you decide which you prefer. There is a poor man. In fact, the worst is a poor man and a poor man mentality. That is going to limit your life forever. Trust me. In fact, it's going to limit your life, limit your future, limit your children, limit the stage you can get to in life. Let me give you a scenario of what I mean. For example, if you marry a poor man, physically doesn't have money, and when he also have a poor man mentality, means that he's currently in this phase. He's not even thinking of maybe exploring, taking risks, or trying to check out new things. It just feels like this particular spot I am is where this is the only phase I can ever get to. This is where life is, or this is the height of my life. It doesn't think of what if I try this new thing? What if I try this? So the worst to marry, take it from me. The worst is a poor man and a poor man mentality. I think another dangerous one too is also a rich man with a poor man mentality, because we've seen a situation where a woman is married to a rich man, but she can't do anything for herself. She can't live her life. Sometimes they don't even have money. They don't think that the rich man is going to equip you with everything you need. You have a good car, you have a good home, but you are just worthless in a sense, and they are not able to help you develop yourself, develop your interests and things, and just kills your aspirations. There are some women that have gotten to men that when they just get married, the man will tell you, now quit your job, now nothing like that. You have to stay at home, you have to do this, you have to do that. So I would say that I think because of the way our this world is turning into, aside seeing somebody, ensure that your mentality aligns. Don't marry a man that will not see you grow. Ladies, don't marry a man that will see you as a man, another man that doesn't see anything wrong with you being the financial pillar of the family, that feels like that pushes every burden on you, right? Don't marry a man that can't fight for you in the midst of his family. Don't. Don't do that. Don't marry a man that won't push you to win. Or there are some men, a lady shared with me that her husband, when she tells her husband that, okay, these are Because that was why I was asking her, why did you even marry the man in the first place? Because she said something that when she was cutting with her husband, then she wanted to go to school. Though her brother too was also going to school, and she was part of those that was funding um, his school tuition and things in that light. But she said she wished the husband has encouraged her. Most likely, she might have at least gotten one or two certificates from school. She said when she told her husband that she would like to go to school, the man just said, "Huh? Why are you going to school? Go to school. To do what? Don't you know that you're the one training your brother?" Then they were not married. If you go to school, who will train him? And what are you going to school to do? What are you going to do with the certificate? And that killed the zeal of her wanting to even go to school and things in that light. But what if the man had told her that, okay, at the moment you can't put two hands in your mouth? Um, what if you are sending your brother to school? Wait a while, maybe when he gets to 200 or 300 level, you can then go back to school. Or why don't you save up? Or things in that like this positive nature, this positive, I don't know, but don't marry a man with a poor man mentality. Don't marry a man. hmm, Don't marry a man that will see you suffer and will not have this remorse or will not have this pity for you. Don't. I always tell this is also applies to both man and woman. Don't marry a wicked partner. Any partner that will not be kind, don't marry them. But the worst of it all, don't marry a man with a poor man mentality. Don't marry a man that or a woman that will not pamper you. Don't marry a man or woman that will not care for you emotionally, that won't know I need to support at this point, that won't know all these things. Well, it's all good. Thank you for listening to me. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do what to like, share, and subscribe. And if you've not enrolled for my 3 month French course, please do what to enroll. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I will see you in another one. Bye for now.